Let's divide some terms that have powers. For example, let's start off with the base as a constant, in this case 2. So on the top I have a base of 2 and a power of 6, and on the bottom of my fraction I have a base of 2 and a power of 2. So this means 2 to the power of 6 divided by 2 to the power of 2. Now the first thing I'm going to do is to take the 2 to the power of 6 and write it down as 6 2's with multiplication signs between them. Now I'm going to divide all of that by 2 2's with a multiplication sign between them. Now I can do some cancelling. One of the 2's in the top with one of the 2's in the bottom, another of the 2's in the top with another of the 2's in the bottom. In effect, what I'm doing is I'm taking 2 multiplied by 2 and dividing it by 2 multiplied by 2. In other words, 4 divided by 4, which is 1. Now I'm left with 4 2's on the top with multiplication signs between them. And on the bottom, I'm not left with nothing, I'm left with a 1, because this 4 into 4 goes once. So I'm left with 4 2's multiplied together, which is 2 to the power of 4. Let's try another where the base is a constant. This time we have 5 to the power of 7 divided by 5 to the power of 4. Pause the video and see if you can write out the next step. Did you get that? And now we're going to cancel. So I'm left with 3 5's on the top with multiplication signs between them, which is equal to 5 to the power of 3. These were the two answers that we got. Can you see a faster way of working out these answers? Pause the video. Did you work that out? So we've now seen that dividing numbers with the same base, we keep that same base and we subtract the powers. Now let's apply this to variables. So here we have x to the power 9 divided by x to the power of 4. So that equals x to the power of 9 minus 4, which is x to the power of 5. And that's our proof. A to the power of 10 divided by a to the power of 7. Pause the video and see if you can work this one out. Now we want a general rule for that. So note my bases are the same. They're both a. So I'm going to subtract those powers.